everyone, welcome to my channel Juliji Heart to Heart. My name is Pragnishila and today we are going to discuss about cell division. So it's one of the very fundamental characteristic of our life because it enables our life to perpetuate from generation to generation. It helps our life to keep going from generation to generation, right? So that's why it is very important. Starting from the simplest organism to the complex types like giant elephant or ourselves to the tall coconut tree. In every case, it is occurring. So the only thing we can see related to the cell division inside the cell is what? Is the chromosome. We can see only the chromosome and something which is related to the chromosome, that only we can see. And we know that the chromosomes that duplicates and the cell divides to form its identical daughter cells, which were also that further divide, and like this the mitosis division occurs. So don't worry, I will also discuss about the mitosis and meiosis in a very detailed manner, so why they are important and how they play the significant role, how the meiosis is occurring and all, everything I am going to discuss in my further video not in this video, because in this video I am going to talk only the basic things which we all need to know, because when we are able to know or we know the basic things, then it's become more interesting to go through that chapter deep and deep and deeper and deeper, because nowadays the students are only just by having those things and we are getting bored of studying such things. Right. So the chromosome duplication occur, and that chromosome they were evenly distributed to all the daughter cells. Then what happened? Then that ensured the normal functioning of the cell. So those things were happening. So where does that chromosome is found? Chromosome is found inside the cell. Inside the nucleus. When we see a living cell, a particular living cell, when we keep it under the light microscope, so what does we observe? We observe that inside the cell we are having a nucleus, but we are not able to see what are present inside the nucleus. So normally we are not able to see, but when we apply dye to that particular cell and then we absorb it through the microscope, through the light microscope, then we see that there is something inside the nucleus, and that one is the chromosome. So the chromosome, from the name itself, chromo means what? Chromo means color, the chromo means color, and the some means the body, the colored body, that is called the chromosome, because it's ready to pick up the dye and it is very easily visible under the microscope, and we can see the chromosomes which are present inside the nucleus. Okay, the chromosome is present inside the nucleus. Now the chromosome is consist of what? So the chromosome is consist of the DNA and the histone proteins and nothing else. It's the DNA only. So आप लोगों को अच्छे से समझ में आएगा जब मैं कॉपी में मैं आपको ये समझा दूँगी कि कैसे डीएनए से ये क्रोमोसोम कैसा होता है. ओके, मैं कॉपी में कर देती हूँ.
This is the DNA which is embedded with the histone protein, 8 histone protein, like this. These are the histone protein, and this makes the nucleosome. Now they further condensed, or they were further coiled to form the chromatin fiber. When there is no cell division, they were in this state, a long chromatin fiber. But when the cell division start, they become more condensed to form chromosome, like this. They become more condensed to form chromosome, and these two are chromatid, which were present inside the nucleus, more number of DNA. So this is the structure, and this is the chromosome. The chromosome is consist of the DNA and this histone protein. So this is the whole diagram.
अभी आप लोगों को पता चल गया होगा कि क्रोमोसोम क्या होता है एंड द डिटेल स्ट्रक्चर व्हाट आर प्रेजेंट इनसाइड अ क्रोमोसोम। हमने बताया था कि द ओनली थिंग्स व्हिच वी कैन सी दैट इज रिलेटेड टू द क्रोमोसोम ड्यूरिंग द सेल डिवीजन, बट व्हेन द सेल डिवीजन इज नॉट हैपनिंग, then what are the things which we absorb inside the nucleus? So we see a long thread of chromatin fiber which are present inside the nucleus. They were very long and they were very thin and they were darkly stained. So when the cell division is not going on, we see the chromatin fiber, but when the cell division start, then we absorb that chromatin fiber, it start becoming more coiled and more condensed to form the chromosome. Now that chromosome is finally having the chromatin and the structure which I have already explained. Okay, now let's talk about the discovery of the chromosome. Chromosome discovered किसने किया है? So chromosome was discovered by Walter Fleming, जो कि एक जर्मन साइंटिस्ट है। 1882 में उन्होंने डिस्कवर किया था एंड उन्होंने कहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व किया था ना, सैलामेंडर में। सैलामेंडर क्या होता है? इट्स एन एम्फीबियन। सो उसका जो लार्वल फॉर्म होता है, सैलामेंडर का जो लार्वा होता है वो रैपिडली डिवाइडिंग होता है। तो उन्होंने वहाँ पे नोटिस किया कि कुछ थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर जो होते हैं वो ना वो डिवाइड कर रहे हैं इन लेंथ वाइज। दे वर डिवाइडिंग लेंथ वाइज एंड ही कॉल्ड दिस टाइप ऑफ डिवीजन एज द माइटोसिस. This mitosis, literally this mitosis means thread, okay, and that's why he called that division or named that division as the mitosis. So वहाँ से mitosis नाम दिया गया था उस division को. So इस तरीका का था कुछ उसका डिस्कवरी क्रोमोसोम का था। एंड वी नो व्हाट इज अ क्रोमोसोम मेड अप ऑफ। बेसिकली क्रोमैटिन इज मेड अप ऑफ 40% ऑफ डीएनए एंड 60% ऑफ द प्रोटीन, जो कि मैं अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्लेन कर चुकी हूँ मेरी कॉपी में। एंड इस वीडियो में हम इतना ही डिस्कस करेंगे एंड मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। एंड टिल देन टेक केयर एंड बाय।